Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tag. Like, oh my god, I haven't made a tag in so freaking long. Like, I think the last tag I made was the boyfriend tag. I'll put it right here for you guys if you haven't seen it. So yeah, so we are on July 1st already, and if you guys did not know, this is my birthday month. I'm a Cancer baby. So yeah, so I thought, why not make this tag the birthday tag? And yes, I do have pink and I have blue. They were pink, but I painted them over. So yes, anyways, let's just get started with this. So question number one is, when is your birthday? So exactly from today, like, my birthday's in 18 days. So I was born July 19. How old are you turning? I am turning, well, first take a moment down in the comments below and like write down how old do you think I am. Come on, like, I'll wait. Are you guys done writing it? Yeah. All right, so I'm turning 25. What was your favorite present that you ever received? So my most favorite present that I've ever received, so my fiance proposed, like, he asked me to marry him since October, but he gave me my ring exactly on the day of my birthday when I turned I think I was 22. Yeah, I think I was 22 when I, like, yeah, was it 22? I think so. It was on my blog, on this blog right here. So yeah, he actually gave me my ring on the day of my birthday. So yes, so this has been my favorite. Or did you have a party this year? No, I am not having a party. I've never had a birthday party in my whole entire life, my whole 25 years. Well, I don't know if I ever had a first birthday party because I don't remember. But other than that, like, I never had a birthday party. But I did have like a little comidita when I turned 15. So I guess you could consider that as a party. But it wasn't like a quinceañera like how I would want it to be. But yes, but no, I'm not having one this year. How do you usually celebrate your birthday? Eating freaking sopes. Did my arm just jiggled? Oh my god, it jiggled. So every single year on my birthday, my mom makes me sopes, and sopes are my favorite food. I get them every year on my birthday because my mom says that's too much of a hassle to make them. So I'm like, fuck it, just make it on my birthday. What was the most memorable birthday that you had? My most memorable birthday, well, pretty much would have to be the one when my fiance gave me the ring. I was not expecting it. I knew he had it, but I was not expecting it on my birthday. So that has been my most memorable birthday ever. If you had an unlimited amount of money, what would you do for your birthday? I would go to Disneyland. Like, no joke, I would go to Disneyland, like, at least for a day. And if I love it that much, then I would go again and again, because I've never been to Disneyland at all. I had an opportunity to go when I was little, but my parents didn't let me. But I would go to Disneyland for my birthday. Your birthday wish list? I want a Louis Vuitton. Pretty much my birthday wish list is just to hang out with my family. I mean, gifts are fine and everything, you know, like, if you want to give me something, yes, give me something. No, but to be honest, just spend it with family, spend it with my fiance. I want a smartwatch. I want a Speedy 25. I want some lashes. I have one birthday left. What would you do for your birthday? So pretty much if I were to die the next day, that's pretty much what the question is asking. But yeah, if I were to die like the next day, if I knew I was going to die the next day and I pretty much had my birthday still, I would pretty much just spend it with my family and like my closest friends, which is only like 2. But yeah, I would only like spend it with my family, my fiance, and like my only like friends, and just that's about it. And if I had like the strength, then I would go somewhere with everyone. Show a picture from your birthday, preferably an embarrassing one. Like I said, I don't have, like, I've never had a birthday party, so obviously I don't have any birthday pictures. But I'll just put a baby picture right here for you guys, so you guys pretty much like can see me as a baby. Yeah. Do you have any birthday traditions? Sopes. That's pretty much my birthday tradition. Like I said, I get sopes every single year on my birthday. So yeah, that's pretty much my tradition for my birthday, like sopes. What's your favorite part about your birthday? Sopes, duh. Like, my favorite part about my birthday is that I know I'm getting the food I want, which is my sopes. And I mean, last year I had what's that called? Cookies and cream cake. Oh my god. If you guys know me, you guys know I don't like sweets. I don't like cake either. But that cake was bomb. So I think I'm gonna bring it back again this year. Be ready for a vlog so you guys are gonna see it. What's one thing that changed since your last birthday? So the couple of things pretty much that has changed since my last birthday is I have a job. I have my driver's license already, finally. I've gotten better with my makeup. As you guys can see, I mean, my highlights always popping. Have you ever been thrown a surprise party, or have you ever thrown one for someone? No and no. I'm broke as fuck, so I can't throw someone a birthday party, and I know other people are broke as fuck as well, so they have never thrown me a birthday party. So yeah, but if you guys want to throw me something like a birthday party, then yeah, I will really appreciate it. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much my birthday tag. Like I said, my birthday is in like 18 days, July 19, and I'll be turning 25. Oh my god, I'm old. Someone actually thought, like at my work, like they thought I was 15. It's because I wasn't wearing makeup, that's why. Well, I was, but I wasn't wearing like eyeshadow and like my lashes. So yeah. And other than that, they think I'm like 18. My co-workers, they think I'm like early 20s. So I think I look good for my age. So yeah. So this completes this whole tag. And if you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below any other video requests. And yeah, so pretty much this whole month is gonna be like birthday related videos, or like some here and there random videos of like makeup tutorials or like talk videos, vlogs, but mainly like birthday related until my birthday and stuff. And yeah, give it a thumbs up if I do get gifts, if you would want a birthday haul. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're new, my name is Magda. And yeah, subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified next to that little subscription button, and it will notify you every time I upload. So yeah, I think that's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.